I owe
Ayun na.
everything that I'm
Wala
doing
na.
right now to myself
Wala
because
na.
ever since I started working and you know doing things for other people kasi lagi akong ganun eh. And people here, siya yan, alam din niya yan. Alam ng lahat yan. Inuuna ko muna lahat ng tao bago sarili ko. But last year, medyo I think that was my breaking point. Kasi minsan, di ba tayo, we always go out of our way to help other people. Tulong, tulong, tulong. Bigay, bigay, bigay. Ang nangyari sa akin, paglingon ko dun sa timba ko, wala na palang natira sa akin. And then that broke me to 1,000,000 pieces. Na parang I've done so much for other people. I've done so much for taking care of their needs and what have you. But wala na palang natira. And then my grandfather passed away. I think that was my reckoning. Wake-up call ko yun to myself na parang yun yung isa sa magandang sinabi sa akin ni Tito Boy noon na kapag meron kang pinagdadaanan sa buhay mo, daanan mo lang, ramdamin mo siya physically, emotionally, mentally, pero wag mong tambayan. That was my lowest. I think last year was my lowest year. Rock bottom.
To tell you honestly,
Hindi lang halata.
hindi namin napansin yan.
Kung meron pang mas mababa sa rock bottom, I was there. So, parang yun yung times kasi na when you're clouded with a lot of negative thoughts and you're na alam mong meron ka mga kasama, alam mo nandyan yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, pero hindi mo maproseso ng tama yung emosyon mo, hindi mo maproseso ng tama yung pag-iisip mo, it's very hard to be present. Na kahit nandito ka, wala ka dito. It took me 6 months to get over that. That was, hindi naman siya clinically diagnosed, but that was depression at its finest. That was depression. Ang galing nga, hindi lang halata eh. But before kasi hindi ko siya kayang pag-usapan. Kasi hirap ako eh. Ayokong magpakita ng weakness to a lot of people. My team knows this. Everyone that's close to me knows about this. I've been in the lowest of my lows. Ayoko na mag-work.
Are you okay now?
Yes, very much. Sumura po. Sumaksis.
Sumaksis.